The F1 drama continues. Piastri says he won't drive for Alpine in 2023. The 2022 Formula One season remains very intriguing. Oscar Piastri was announced everywhere as Fernando Alonso's replacement, but the young racing driver took it to social media to deny everything the Alpine F1 team had said. Here's what's going on. It all started with Sebastian Vettel not wanting to race in F1 anymore. Surprisingly enough, it looks like Alpine didn't even know that Alonso was preparing to leave them. Oscar Piastri will replace Fernando Alonso starting next year. Now talk about a promotion. Team principal Otmar Zafnauer even added that Oscar is a bright and rare talent, but the young racing driver published a message on social media in which he said that Alpine F1 lied about his involvement with the French team. Piastri points out that the press release was sent out without his agreement and confirmed for everyone that there's no contract signed between him and Alpine. "I will not be driving for Alpine next year," concluded Piastri.